In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard. To operate Clipboard, you need suggestion strip at the top of it. If you don't have it, you need to exit your keyboard and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way down, and when you're ready, hit System and Updates over here. Then select Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Now it's time to hit text correction over here and use gray switcher next to show suggestion strip to activate it. You can also go back and click on Clipboard if you wish to enable or disable this option. Save recent screenshot in Clipboard. You don't have to do it though, or you can always go back to it. Those two switchers are most important and they will be enabled instantly. Now with Clipboard at the top of your keyboard, you need to click on it and activate it using this switcher at the top right corner. Then go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. To use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard. If you can't see it now, use this icon at the top left corner and click on it here. And paste whatever you added by clicking on it. If you wish to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold your text, use pin icon and wait. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to get rid of it, you can hold your text and tap on Delete option, or simply swipe it to the right. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!